Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can sync Google Calendar to iPhone. So it's pretty simple. You want to go inside your phone setting and scroll all the way down until you see calendars. Once you see it, click on it. From inside calendars, you want to click on where it says accounts. And from inside accounts, you want to click on where it says Gmail over here. And once you're inside Gmail, if you have already logged in into your Gmail account, it's going to bring you over here. If you have not, it is going to ask you to log in into your account first. Once you log in into your account and come to this page, over here where it says calendars, make sure it's on. If that is on, your Google Calendar is going to be synced with iPhone. It's that simple. Now, after you do that, what you need to do is go inside your iPhone calendar and click on where it says calendars at the bottom. And right beside your Gmail, you can see a tick mark. Make sure it's tick marked. If it is unchecked, it's not going to show you the calendar, but make sure it's check marked and click on done at the top right. Once you do that, you have successfully synced your Google Calendar to iPhone. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.